Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another live room weekly results. Today I will start from the end. This week we had 22% or 22 times if you want to our APOs, 550 pips. And why did I start it from the end? Because this 22% was made by only 4 pairs. So that's why I always say in the live room, wait for the price to do what you want it to do. Wait for the bounce or major support or resistance area. Wait for the trend line, wait. Why wait? Because it's worth it. And that's why. Trade smart. Quality over quantity. And let's see and start with gold. Again, we waited, we had a very powerful downtrend, and we waited for the price to get to this area. From at the beginning of the week, price continued its downtrend. For those, of course, who were short, you had your incremental profits here, and then we had our nice opportunity, and with an APO of like 20, 25 pips. Price has already moved to 110 and it's still rising, and this is going for a trade. Last position is targeting 270 pips. We do have positions that are still running. We have some of them since on the 7th of May and still moving. And of course, as again I always say, keep your last position running as long as possible. So with the gold, only 5% in our winnings. And let's go to Euro CHF. Euro CHF, we had a late entry. We saw a powerful movement. We minimized our risk anyway. We have our win-win scenario. You can always trail your APO. Incremental profits on the bounce here, and of course on Monday morning we will see what else can we do here with our top-down approach. So this was an APO of 30 pips, already win-win 70. Price is still running twice our APO only here on Euro CHF. We had a very nice example on GBP New Zealand dollar. We had a very nice combination, and of course on a major support area here, what happened, we found our beautiful opportunity again with an APO 25, 27, even 30 pips. Price has reached 160 pips. This was a huge movement. Only with this we had 5%, and you can see of course on our M24 this was a very powerful downtrend. Price didn't stay above, and we had a really nice opportunity again to go short. And then whoever took this, depending on your trend line, you had again 30 pips of an APO, and your last position would be 200 plus pips. So it's like in additional both directions like 13% only from GBP New Zealand dollar. So you can see if you get your reverse signal, you just have to follow the system and no problem with that. We had another nice opportunity on GBP CAD. You can see that price here gave us a nice opportunity. We had some pending orders. APO again like 35 pips, win-win scenario already. Price is moving, last position is still running, and that means of course you should stay in. Now Many people are asking me what's going on USD CHF. We had a pending order since last week, and what happens now? We still stay in. Last position is with 170 pips, and you are going for this area, 260 pips. What is this area here? This is a major trend line coming from my M48. So what you can do, you already have, of course, incremental profits on the support area. 36 EMA is almost there, and that means that price might react here and start moving long again. But price in my previous two big movements didn't respect my EMA. So I am in a win-win. Why should I close everything here, since I can trail my APO a little bit closer and let it run for 50 more pips? Why not? And also said, again, you don't know if this is the time now that trend line will be broken, and then you will be going for this area or for this area, or as you can see, this major powerful support area. So what does it cost you? Nothing. Just stay in, and with an APO initial entry 50 pips, you can go for almost 1000. It's all in the mind. You have nothing to lose, maybe give something back, but this is the part of the game. You give something back, but then you take it twice or 3 times over. But again, stay in the trade as long as possible. That's it for today. See you again on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Have a beautiful weekend, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.